Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Trailer Brake Control Switch. This trailer brake control switch is compatible with various Chevy and GMC pickup trucks and SUVs from 2014 to 2021, including the Suburban, Canyon, Tahoe, Sierra, and Yukon. To make sure this fits your truck, check out the list below or contact us. What your trailer brake control switch does is it communicates with your trailer brakes to engage when you hit the brakes on your truck. Additionally, it lets you configure the sensitivity of your brakes on your trailer, meaning how hard or soft the brakes should engage. Over time, the original trailer brake switch on various Chevy and GM trucks are known to fail, either by shorting out, losing connections intermediately, or being physically damaged. And while this brake control switch is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it is a direct replacement meant to fit and work exactly like the original, thanks to all the OEM mounting locations and, of course, the OEM electrical connector. Unfortunately, installation of a new trailer brake control switch can be complicated, as this part does need to be programmed to your vehicle before it can work. So you may need to have a professional handle this job for you. If you have any questions about this replacement trailer brake control switch, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.